Racing Jazz is started with Magic Wallet, break quickly at the start, Ultimate Royal, Alfie Isariao, April Song, Takas, then comes Amazing Call, Calaguas Island in between horses, Mia Star second less, while Erica's Charm is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Half-mile distance, they traveled well. Ultimate Royal enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Alfie in second. Takas is running by the rail third, and in port comes Amazing Call. April Song is already outside, and next online is Magic Wallet. Mia Star comes next. Calaguas Island second less, while Erica's Charm is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. 2 runners party road for the lead. Takas, and on the outside, Alpi, April Song comes next as they swing for home. Takas by about 2 lengths. Alpi, April Song is on the outside third with about 150 meters more to run. Takas, this time by about 6 lengths. And finally, Takas. Second, April Song, then comes Alfie, Mia Star, Amazing Call.
Okay, it's 6-4.